What we have here today is a model 1879 American Waltham Watch Co. pocket watch movement, or what I like to call a casualty of the high price of gold. I went to a jewelry store that I've been to before, and I saw in the counter like a small plastic container filled with the wristwatch and some pocket watch movements. So I asked to look at them, and my what I thought happened was true, because the guy told me, yeah, these used to have gold cases and they were scrapped. So just a whole mess of movements. I'll have to go back there and go through them again and see what else I can get. But this is one of the ones I bought. This one is interesting because got the stem built into the side there. Yeah, it looks like it's a hunter case because the winding is at the 3 and there's a lever set at the 5. But I never seen a movement with the stem sticking out like that before. So that's what it looks like on that side. Let's zoom in on the dial, and you can see American AW Co. Waltham. I'm gonna turn it over. Let's see, where are the hands? Too much. I have to put it like this. Yeah, I don't want to crush the hands. Let me open it up a little bit. So there it is on the movement side. And it looks like W.M. Ellery, I guess William Ellery, and then Waltham, Mass, and there's Pat Pinion and the serial number. So I'm going to wind it up. I use one of my keys here. And let's see. Takes a lot. Oh, you can see the click thing over there by my thumb for releasing the mainspring. Put that down. But anyway, I'm going to keep on winding. This thing takes a lot. All my keys are all jumbled up. Yeah, this thing has 11 jewels, because when I took apart to clean it, I counted them all. This thing takes a lot. I was going to wind it up all the way, but as I held it up. Oh, there, I got it. Yeah, so now it's wound up all the way. This is crazy. So there it goes. That's what it looks like. I don't know what else to say. Gilded plates. Oh, I know what I was going to do. I was going to take off the dust shield. Let's see, dust shield. Where is there's a little gap. Yeah, okay. I'll take off the dust shield. I can see something of what's inside. There's the mainspring barrel. And then there you can see the lever going back and forth. And there's the escape wheel. And there's some other wheels. Let me try this auxiliary light. No, it doesn't work. There you go. Let's see, does that make... Oh, that looks nice too. So yeah, there you go. There's the winding. I gotta rotate it with two hands. And there you can see the lever and the escape wheel. Oh, and you can see the roller jewel there, swinging back and forth, and the balance staff, that stationary thing. So that's the Waltham watch, or the casualty of the high price of gold. I'm sure there's others out there. Caseless movements. I don't know if I'm ever going to get a case for this one because of that funky stem thing sticking out.